Hey there, CrossFit Strongtown. Coach Mikey coming at you on Monday, April 6th. It is day 21 of the coronavirus quarantine. We got a good workout for you today.
Just sit right back and you'll hear a tale of a fateful trip.
All right, we got a fight gone bad style workout, meaning that we have 5 rounds, 1 minute each station for max reps. Usually in a fight gone bad, you get a 1 minute rest after the round. We're not going to get that rest today, but we're going to get a 30-second rest after each movement.
My boy's wicked smart.
So again, 5 rounds, 1 minute each station for max reps with a 30-second rest after each movement. And our movements are today. First movement is the Kettlebell Deadlift. All right, having a little bit of a wider stance, setting that back, picking that kettlebell up to your waist, bring it back down to the ground. After that, we're going to go into a Kettlebell Plank Tap. We're going to be in a plank position, just tapping the kettlebell in front of us, counting that just kind of 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, every time your hand hits that kettlebell, alternating hands, that is a rep. After that, we're going into something we've done in our warm-ups before, putting in the workout today, get a little core, called Flutter Kicks. We're going to go into Flutter Kicks, keeping that hollow position while lying on the ground, and then just quickly kicking those legs up, back and down, counting our reps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, and then after that, topping it off with wall sits. And we're saying that every 10 seconds equals 1 rep. All right, again, we have 5 rounds, 1 minute each station with a 30-second rest of the Kettlebell Deadlift, a Plank Kettlebell Tap, all right, I said it a little bit different before, Flutter Kicks, and then a wall sit. And you're in that 30-second rest after each movement. Scoring it by our total reps. So you can write it down during your 30-second rest, or just keep a continuous count through, and then that is your score at the end, adding that up to 1 big number. We miss you guys. Remember, if you do this on Instagram, tag us at CF Strongtown, hashtag hold strong, hashtag Strongtown and home, hashtag stay home. See you soon.